Hi everyone, welcome back, or shall I say welcome to my living room. Usually I film from my office, but today's video is a little bit different. Today we're going to be talking about throws and how to use them in your interior design. Amelie Home was kind enough to gift me these two beautiful throws that I will be using in this video. They're absolutely beautiful, soft, comfy. I really like them. And I can't wait to show you guys all different ways of using these throws to decorate your home. Amelie Home has items ranging from home decor, loungewear, and accessories to reflect the most mysterious and romantic feeling of being in love. Just look at all these beautiful throws, blankets. They are committed to providing high level of quality and design in a responsible and sustainable way. They take inspiration from the French concept of love and passion for creating their products in the most stylish and elegant French chic design. You can head over to their website, ameliehome.com, and check out their brand story, all their different products, and some reviews as well. These two that I have here are the Boho throw blankets, and I love that type of decor. They just make me feel so comfortable and cozy. Makes me want to sip some coffee or tea and just sit by a window and read and just relax. They're super elegant and chic. I love how they look when I wear them. It's something that I can definitely wear in a balcony where others can see your beautiful throw blanket. One easy way that I love using throws is just to casually place them over the chair and just let it relax and just hang on the chair and show its beauty in a very relaxed way. And you can put a little throw pillow and a book on it, and it just creates a very relaxed, romantic atmosphere. I love the little tassels here at the bottom. Gives the throw a beautiful look and just beautiful details all over the blanket. The material of the blanket feels super soft. And I absolutely love this design with the yarn kind of stitched through the blanket. It looks so beautiful with all these different colors. And I also really like this little fluffy touch here. Super soft. Another way I like using a throw is just kind of folding it in half and then taking the half fold into a 3-fold. You can use this type of fold to place it on the back of a chair or even on the arm. I like folding this way because it really brings together all the tassels at the bottom and just looks so beautiful. And the last way I love using this is the long 3-part fold. So I just fold it into this 3-part, which hides the ends and just place the whole thing on the chair. This gives a very neat and clean, more of a modern contemporary look. Look how clean and beautiful that looks. I also love using throws on top of benches. Here is the half fold look. And with the bench, you can also place a tray on top and put a little yarn in there to give it more of that French country chic look. The throw blankets came in really nicely packaged in this really adorable little Ziploc bag, and with the ribbon, it's just such a pleasure to unbox these blankets. You can use throws on small chairs, benches, big couches, just absolutely anywhere. And you can pick up the colors from the throw. In this case, I picked up the cream color and also took inspiration from the softness of the throw. I love mixing quality material with something a little bit more economical, such as these little Dollar Tree buckets full of just colored pencils that my kids use. Here is another look for you guys. And here is another one.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Bye!
Blankets are 100% acrylic. They can be machine washed cold separately in a gentle cycle and can also be tumble dry low.